What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. What's going on? Today on this quick episode, I just wanted to quickly show y'all the line lock and the main reason why I got the Tazer on my Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. So let's go ahead and do that. In another episode, we'll go through all the other different settings the Tazer provides, but that's for another one. For the line lock, we hit this guy and select the same time. We'll have a line lock. It'll automatically disable the all-wheel drive system. And if we do this, look at that. It's all like screwy and stuff. Then we press the brake. Oh yeah. And then we let it go. That was dope.
That works good.
Holy
fuck, does it bark too, eh?
Get the fuck out of here. That was good. That was a lot of rubber on there. Like,
oh yeah.
On the ground?
You chewed the asphalt there.
Oh, did I? Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope this helps. Peace.